Hello, welcome to this tutorial on Homestyler. Today, we're going to learn how to draw a room in the software. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you understand the basics of creating walls in your interior design projects. The first step is to open Homestyler and start a new project. By clicking the Start Design button from the right side top corner. If you don't have an account yet, follow the link in the description. You can either create a new project from scratch or use one of the templates provided by the software. For this tutorial, we're going to create a new project from scratch. Click on the Start Design button. Once you have started a new project, enter the design interface. In the Create Room, click the wall settings from the top right corner to set the measurement unit. And click Save. In the right side menu, we have global wall settings, the height and the thickness. Set the values you need. We will let them as default. Now there are three options in the Draw Walls section on the left side menu. Draw the wall by the center line. The size of the wall is calculated based on the center of the wall. Draw the wall with the inner edge line. The size of the wall is calculated based on the inner edge of the wall. Select a drawing type to draw a wall. You can also set the wall thickness and orthogonal mode at the top. Orthogonal mode will lock the drawing tool on the X and Y axis. If you deselect it, you can draw freely. Now simply click and drag the cursor on canvas in the direction you want the wall to go. You can directly input the length value of the wall when drawing and press Enter to confirm. If the wall you draw can be synthesized into one enclosed shape, it will automatically form a room. You can press Escape key on your keyboard to end the current command. Now let us try the Draw Rooms tool. Click the Draw Rooms button to start drawing. Determine the corner of the room to start, and drag to form a room. You can also enter the length and width values directly to determine the size of the room. Let's enter a value and hit Enter. After drawing, you can click and drag on the wall, and you can also change the size of the room. And that's it! You have now learned how to draw a room in Homestyler. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Homestyler. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please let us know in the comments.